Hello guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you guys magic oil I'm using in growing my natural hair. I know you guys would really love to know this magic oil, and then if you want to know about this magic oil, just stay tuned and watch this video. And then before I start, if you have not subscribed to my other two YouTube channel, guys, you better pause this video, just go there and subscribe. I have another two YouTube channel, like mini. I have three YouTube channel: Freedom Styles, this very one, Freedom Beauty, and the Freedom's Life. On Freedom Beauty, what I am sharing on that channel, I share home remedies things. You better go and check out the YouTube channel. And I also share videos on how to grow natural hair. And on Freedom's Life, I share vlog videos and I also share hair videos. Just go there and check out the two YouTube channels. And then don't forget to subscribe. If you are only following me here on this my YouTube channel and you are not subscribed to my other two YouTube channel, guys, you're missing a lot. You are really missing a lot. You better go and subscribe to my two YouTube channel. This oil is that is growing your natural hair. This is the magic oil that is growing my natural hair. And if you want to know how to make this oil, because I will not be explaining or making tutorial video how I made this oil, because I already have the video on my Freedom Beauty channel. On Freedom Beauty channel, I already made the video on how I made this oil. If you have watched that video, and I'm here to explain to you guys how to apply the oil on your natural hair. This oil is made with whole remedies, and I don't want to explain what I made this oil with. I don't want to explain. I just want you to go and check out the video so that you will follow up, because me explaining to you guys, look at how I made the oil, I don't want you to just go there and do it without not knowing how I made the oil. Because I already shared a video how I made the oil, I will just allow you to go and watch the video, which I will put somewhere here. I will put the video here. The video will also be in the description box below. How to apply this oil on your hair. Like two products I'm using on my natural hair. Both are working like, why? Both are working like this oil and this veggie hair fertilizer. You guys know how I am preaching about this veggie hair fertilizer on my YouTube channel. I know you guys are tired of listening to veggie hair fertilizer on my YouTube channel. And if you are using veggie hair fertilizer and your hair is not growing, meaning you bought the wrong veggie hair fertilizer, because a lot of websites are selling fake veggie hair fertilizer. I am telling you, you need to be very careful when you want to buy veggie hair fertilizer, because a lot are selling fake veggie hair fertilizer. If you can buy veggie hair fertilizer, local beauty store is very good, and I think you will find the real veggie hair fertilizer in local beauty store. How I am applying this oil on my hair, I am doing this oil, using this oil in many ways. If I have braids, like as I am having my natural hair now, as my natural hair is now, and I want to co-wash my hair, this magic oil with whole remedies thing, carrot, avocado, etc, etc. Like the hair, the odor of this oil is like food, scents like food. You don't want to apply oil on your hair. People will be saying, who is cooking? No, you just want to like apply oil on your hair and you will still feel relaxed, and without not being nervous that people will be thinking your hair smells. And what you will do when you apply this oil on your hair, you will just use it to massage your scalp, on your edges, everywhere. After applying it, you will use a shower cap. Use something to cover up your hair for 1 hour. Just wrap your hair around and be walk around, like be doing something. And I will advise you is whenever you want to wash your hair, whenever you want to deep condition your hair, that is when you will apply this oil. And I know we don't, like me now, I don't deep condition, do like a big washing. Like, you know what is big washing? When you just like really the real washing, like wash your hair perfectly. Like once, like do big washing like on my hair once in a month. Once in a month. And I will just apply this oil and I will cover it up. And then after 1 hour, I will just go to shower and then deep condition my hair and then rinse my hair. After then, I just do all back cornrows, or if I want to braid my hair, I will braid my hair and I will apply this veggie hair fertilizer. If you apply this veggie hair fertilizer, you don't need to rinse it off from your hair. But this oil, if you apply it on your hair, you will rinse it off from your hair. But not this veggie hair fertilizer. And if you are having braids, you know a lot of people, when we are having braids, maybe you braid your hair, cornrows, crochet braids, buzz braids, twist. Sometimes you usually wash your braids. You usually wash your braids, like we all do. If we are having braids on, we usually wash our braids once in a while. And then you will go, before you washing your braids, you will apply this oil on your scalp. Make sure you allow the oil to soak your scalp, massage it. You try to massage it in a soft way, because it's very bad you scratching your scalp. You know, when you are scratching your scalp, you will be having injury on your scalp and your hair will be breaking. Avoid that. Don't scratch your scalp. Always try to massage your scalp in a soft way. And then if you are having braids, you will apply this oil on your scalp, all over your scalp. Massage it, apply it on your scalp, cover up the braids, cover up your hair, wrap your hair around. You will use something, a shower cap or a plastic bag, to cover up your hair before you will go wash your braids. And then the other one I will say, when you are also having all back cornrows, you know a lot of people, we nowadays, we put on wigs. Like me, I like putting on wigs. Before you want to wear a wig, or you are having a wig, and you normally do all back cornrows or center part cornrows, and when you are having that cornrows, you know, you usually, or like me, I usually wash my cornrows once in a week or once in 2 weeks, depends. And then before you washing your cornrows, you know, when you are having all back cornrows, you can also wash your hair with the cornrows. And then when you are having that all back cornrows, just apply this oil, this magic oil, Freedom Styles oil, and you will apply it on your scalp. Make sure you cover up your hair less than 1 hour when you apply this oil on your hair. Make sure you cover up your hair. Don't just apply the oil on your hair and just go to shower and rinse it off. Don't do that. Apply this oil on your hair once in a week. Once in a week. Don't use it every day. Once in a week. Once in a week. If you are a person that loves to wash your hair twice in a week, is also fine. But me, I am applying this oil once in a week. Once in a week. Though you are having braids on. After you co-washing of the oil, you will apply this veggie hair fertilizer on your scalp. Make sure, because when you do all back or you do crochet braids, you have space. You need to take a little amount. Make sure you look for way to apply the veggie hair fertilizer on your scalp. Like I said, you don't need to rinse off the veggie hair fertilizer. It's only this oil that you will rinse off, not this veggie hair fertilizer. And if you are also having all back cornrows, like the all back cornrows I said before, after you applying the oil, rinsing the oil off from your hair, also apply this veggie hair fertilizer on your scalp. Apply it on your edges, all over your edges. And if you also want to grow your eyebrow, this oil is very good. The hair on your vajayjay, if you want it to grow, also apply this oil on your vajay, and your vajay hair will just be poof. That is when you will really notice the magic of this oil. This oil is very good. Is what I am using on my natural hair, because I know a lot of people are asking me questions. Freedom, why don't you share tips you are using in growing your natural hair? I made a video of this before, but I didn't mention this just because this is my secret. And I was just like, why am I keeping this secret for people that are supporting me? Because I don't have a problem in sharing. I know a lot of people, if they are using this kind of great oil, they will be making this oil and selling. But me, I preferred sharing with you guys because I know a lot of people are passing through stress. I know a lot of people want their hair to grow. And and also I will still advise you, you that is like stressing your hair, avoid stressing your hair. I made a video on that before. If you really want your hair to grow, don't stress your hair. Like doing protective styles like boss braid, twist, like doing it always frequently is bad. Like you doing boss braids, after 1 week or after 2 weeks you lose the boss braids, and you do twist, after 1 week take that off, you do crochet braids, you lose it. No, it's not good. Like when you do braids, and then you just leave the braids, let me say a month, just let me guess, and you just leave the braids a month. When you are done with the braids, when you take off the braids, when you lose the braids, don't do another braid. You can just do up back cornrows, put on a wig, just wait for 2 weeks or 3 weeks before doing braids again. Don't just lose, go out there, you do braids, when you take down the braids, you do another braids, you will be stressing your edges. And then these are the tips that are working perfectly on my natural hair. Maybe later on in the future I find some things that are working nice on my natural hair, I will still come back and then share with you guys. And if you like this kind of videos and you want me to be sharing more videos with you guys about my natural hair, what are you waiting for? Just click that red button like subscribe, and then give a huge thumbs up. It's like this. And then click the share button, share with friends and family. And don't forget to check out how I made this oil on Freedom Beauty channel. And also try and check out my vlog YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Peace sign.